Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11 automatic repair loop srttrail.txt, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check the scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore and then click on next, click on finish and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.